Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking project ideas that sell well to make you big profits. Watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Woodworking is a timeless craft that combines creativity, skill, and practicality. For those looking to turn their woodworking hobby into a profitable venture, there are numerous project ideas that not only showcase craftsmanship but also cater to market demands. The key to success in woodworking projects lies in understanding current trends, identifying target markets, and creating high-quality products that meet customer needs. One popular category of woodworking projects that tends to sell well is home decor. Items such as wooden signs, picture frames, and wall art can be customized to suit various tastes and styles. Personalized wooden signs for homes or businesses are particularly in demand, as they allow customers to express their individuality. These signs can be made from reclaimed wood or new lumber and can feature unique designs, quotes, or family names. By offering customization options, you can attract a wider range of customers who are looking for special gifts or unique home accents. Another lucrative area is furniture making. Handmade furniture items like coffee tables, dining tables, and bookshelves often command higher prices due to their uniqueness and craftsmanship. Consider creating multifunctional pieces that cater to smaller living spaces, such as nesting tables or storage ottomans. Additionally, upcycling old furniture by refinishing or repurposing it can be a cost-effective way to create high-demand items while minimizing waste. Customers appreciate the charm of vintage pieces, especially when they are restored with care and creativity. Outdoor furniture and decor also present excellent opportunities for profit. With more people investing in their outdoor spaces, items such as garden benches, picnic tables, and planters are highly sought after. Consider creating weather-resistant pieces using treated wood or durable finishes that can withstand the elements. Unique garden decor, like birdhouses or decorative trellises, can also be appealing to gardening enthusiasts. By tapping into the growing trend of outdoor living, you can create products that enhance outdoor experiences and bring beauty to gardens and patios. Crafting kitchen items is another profitable avenue in woodworking. Wooden cutting boards, serving trays, and utensil holders are always in demand, especially when made from high-quality hardwoods like maple or walnut. Personalized kitchen items can attract customers looking for unique gifts for weddings or housewarmings. Additionally, creating specialty items such as spice racks or wine racks can cater to specific culinary interests. By focusing on functionality and aesthetics, you can create kitchen products that appeal to both home cooks and professional chefs alike. Toys and games made from wood are not only nostalgic, but also environmentally friendly alternatives to plastic products. Wooden toys have gained popularity among parents who prioritize safety and sustainability for their children. Consider creating classic toys like building blocks, puzzles, or pull-along animals that encourage imaginative play. Board games made from wood can also be a hit, especially if you incorporate modern designs or themes that resonate with families. By focusing on quality craftsmanship and safety standards, you can create toys that stand the test of time. Pet products represent another niche market with great potential for profitability. Customized wooden pet beds, feeding stations, and toys can attract pet owners looking for unique and durable solutions for their furry friends. Consider designing elevated dog bowls or stylish cat trees that blend seamlessly with home decor. As pet ownership continues to rise, so does the demand for quality pet products that prioritize both functionality and aesthetics. Seasonal items can also provide excellent profit margins throughout the year. Crafting holiday decorations like wooden ornaments, wreaths, or seasonal signs can attract customers during festive times. Consider creating themed items for various holidays such as Christmas, Halloween, or Thanksgiving. By offering limited edition pieces or seasonal collections, you can create a sense of urgency among customers who want to decorate their homes for the holidays. In addition to these project ideas, Consider leveraging online platforms to expand your reach and increase sales. E-commerce websites like Etsy or Amazon Handmade provide a marketplace for artisans to showcase their work to a global audience. Social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest are powerful tools for promoting your woodworking projects and connecting with potential customers. High-quality photos of your work, along with engaging content about your process and inspiration, can help build a loyal following and drive sales. To further enhance your profitability, consider offering workshops or classes where you teach others the art of woodworking. Sharing your skills not only generates additional income but also fosters a community around your craft. Many people are eager to learn new skills and create their own handmade items. By providing a supportive learning environment, you can inspire others while establishing yourself as an expert in the field. Networking with local businesses can also open doors for collaboration and increase sales opportunities. Partnering with home decor stores, gift shops, or farmers markets allows you to showcase your products in physical locations where customers can see and touch them before purchasing. Consider offering wholesale pricing to retailers interested in carrying your items in their stores. In conclusion, woodworking offers a wealth of opportunities for creative individuals looking to turn their passion into profit. By focusing on high-demand projects such as home decor, furniture, outdoor items, kitchen goods, toys, pet products, seasonal decorations, and leveraging online platforms for sales and promotion, you can carve out a successful niche in the woodworking market. The key is to remain adaptable and responsive to customer preferences while maintaining a commitment to quality craftsmanship. With dedication and creativity, your woodworking projects can not only bring joy to others, but also generate substantial profits for your business. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.